Alrighty. So, welcome to one other brand new episode of live Forex trading with your host, Peeling Mindset. Welcome. This is a Tuesday right here, the 28th of September. And we are one more time right here. It looks like we did have amazing moves around London session today. Pound yen, obviously pound yen moved down. Gold moved down. Looks like pound USD moved down, and wow, pound AUD moved up. So pound CAD moved down. All right. So we'll try and build our bias, and we'll break down the chart from high time frame to lower time frame, and we'll obviously build our bias, and we'll see what we can do in the market. Right? So beautiful. Alrighty. So let's just go to the weekly time frame. Actually, monthly time frame. Let's break down the chart for the monthly time frame, especially when we are so close to the end of the month here. And looks like our ultimate target for buys has been hit. And all right, so this is what we're gonna do. Bam, 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 and bam, bam, bam. All right, that's good. It's actually good. Just give me one more second. One more second. And all right, so this is what we're gonna do. Bang, 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 and da-da-da. All right, so breaking down the chart again from higher time frame to lower time frame. A monthly time frame, a monthly candle right now, still respecting the previous monthly candle's high. Looks like a proper liquidity grab has been done. So there is a chance that the monthly candle could actually potentially push down as well. And we're going to look at the news event coming around in this last few days of this month, and we'll see how pound yen might react. And weekly time frame, let's look at the weekly time frame. Looking at the weekly time frame, we have the support area. The current weekly candle has been pretty bullish. We have rejected off of this weekly sort of a resistance area. Right now, retracing pretty hard. So the first few days of the weekly candle pushed up. So that means it can actually push down in its later half, right? That's something we've been seeing forever. But now, obviously, this is Tuesday. So Mondays and Tuesdays usually are market preparation day, where the market's setting up, heating up, warming up. And if the warm up in the market has been done already, there is a chance we can push down, especially when we are rejecting off this daily resistance area. So the daily candle is pretty bearish. I mean, we can see a lot of bearish push. We have clear targets on the downside. All right, so we have to be alert about the fact that if buys are coming in, price may retest this area right here. So what might happen is this 4-hour broken resistance might be retested right now. So if it's being retested, we just have to be careful, and we'll try and see if there's any signs of support. But prices, the most recent price action is from a daily rejection area, breaking support, and also breaking the psychological level 152 flat sort of area. At this point in time, price is hanging around 151,700. The 4-hour candle is pretty bearish. We do have a lot of downside target here. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna go into actually 4-hour. Dun. Okay, we do have chances of bullish sort of a push, a bullish sort of a push as well. But for a bullish push, we want to see price maintaining a bullish sign. That could be a 1 hour or 30-minute support. That's not anywhere closer here, so we might push down as well, right? So anything below 151,700 is looking good. Let's go into the hourly time frame and see what's happening on the hourly sort of a perspective. Our hourly candle, pretty bearish. It's going to close in the next 16 minutes. Looks like the support has been broken, and more than likely it's going to push down here. So what might happen is, so what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to take this a little bit higher. Dun, dun, dun. This is the most recent broken support area, and the price is below 151,700. So just want to see if this hourly candle finally closes bearish, and the next candle could actually make a top wick, and then we can start moving down, fill in the wick, and also fill in this clear range on the left hand side. So a bearish push could be expected. So that's what I'm doing. I'm expecting a bearish push if that's happening, right? At this point in time, would love to see a resistance. A clear resistance either on a 15 or a 30 would be amazing. So a 5-minute resistance is here. Pretty cool. That's actually pretty cool. What I'm going to do is take it a little bit lower, this level right here. Take it a little bit lower. Okay. So. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, potential retest area. We're going to check if there was any news released today. All right, so we had Governor Bailey speaking. Okay, so I haven't had a look at this. And was there anything else? Was there anything interesting? We had this AUD retail sales, and apparently the AUD retails are doing pretty good. That's good. All right, so anything else? We had this 30-year bond. Okay. Interesting. Fed Chair Powell testifies. Okay. Bang, bang, bang. Was there anything else interesting? But Japan's talking about full end of COVID-19 emergency Thursdays. All right. Anything else? Anything else? Anything else? Here. Our Japanese government advisory panel Tuesday morning approved the government's plan to completely lift its parliament. Okay. All right. So Bailey, what's Bailey talking about? The economy has been buffeted by further shocks as the recovery has startled. Price pressures, in our opinion, will be transitionary. All right. Okay. What if this is beginning of the surveys? Okay. Yeah, Bailey is kind of pessimistic about pound recovery. Not that confident, not that hawkish, to be honest. All right, so we're seeing exhaustion here. Candles printing dodgy. It almost seems like nothing happened in the past 15 minutes. Right, so the hourly candle is going to close in the next 12 minutes. We have been pushing down. Look at the size of the candle after rejecting this daily rejection area. It's been pushing down pretty hard, right? Pretty hard. Pushing down pretty hard. What I'm going to do is I'm actually going to close this potential retest area. Looking for sales, a potential retest area, or even a resistance in 30 or 15-minute. So what's gonna happen is dun 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 dun. Boom, just give me a second. Please. As long as price stays below 151.865. 60. So on YouTube, Avinav Srivastav is saying, bro, do you think gold will go more down? We'll see. We'll see what's going to happen in gold. Obviously, for now, we are looking at pound yen. Looks like pound yen has possibilities to push down further down. And I'm going to set my alerts here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to set my alert. All right. Oh, wow. Amazing. Gold has been pretty bearish today. Ever since London session, gold is pretty bearish. Daily candle, after the daily candle flipped bearish, man, it's taking no signs of bullish posture. It's just moving down ferociously. It's just moving down to this demand area. Looks like 1731.90 is going to get hit, more than likely. 1731.90 is going to get hit in gold. Pretty simple. For our candle. All right. Wow, gold is super bearish. Super duper bearish. Whoever got the chance to enter somewhere around here, man, beautiful. You guys are in 30 pips in profit. Amazing. And more than likely 1731.90 is going to get hit. The way it's moving, I think it's going to get hit here. 1731.90. I'm not in any sort of trade in gold right now. Definitely missed the sells. Sales could have been somewhere around here. I was actually waiting for sales since yesterday, below 1746.20, but couldn't capitalize on it. Alrighty. All right. Izzy Montana says heartbreak. Oh no. Why is your heart broken? Don't be heartbroken. We've just come to the market. Don't be heartbroken yet. Wow, pound USD extremely bearish. Man, pound USD is bearish. Pound JPY is bearish. And it's very close to pound USD is specifically very close to this active demand area, right? So look at the size of the candles. Wow, it's just dropping. Every single thing is dropping. Man. Pound AUD, pound CAD. Wow, pound is dropping. Pound is dropping. Man. Ooh, every single thing is dropping. Man. There is something fishy about this market right now. Because every single thing is dropping. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Man. Oh, wow. Honestly, everything is rock and rolling right now. So ever since London session, whoever took the entries around London session, man, they are running. Honestly, look at gold right now. Whoever took an entry, I mean, I missed the entry here. You know, I was actually waiting for it. But entries from here, look at gold. It has moved like 140 pips. Man. Oh, wow. On YouTube, EJ has a 3 pip spread. Okay, so Abukar Khalid says GJ has 3 pip spread. Okay, and all right, 5 pips. Oh, is it? Interesting. So Alpha Napoli Me says, what's the name of the song? I really don't know the name of the song. I think it's called Cockroach. The name of the song is Cockroach on the Toast. All right, so the market is very volatile. I mean, not volatile. Market is moving pretty hard today. Market is moving hard and sexy. That's what the market is doing right now. Market is moving hard and sexy. Also on YouTube, Anand is saying good morning. Good morning, Anand. Good morning. Or Simonine FX is saying no sound. I mean, you sure there's no sound? Must be sound, bud.
Hello, Anus.
Hello, Nikesh, how are you?
Fine, thank you. And you?
Good, 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 good. Checking the sound in the YouTube. Looks like everything is moving, Nikesh.
Yeah. Did you take the gold sales or you are looking at gold?
Did you take gold sales?
No, not me. But like 15 minute actually looked kind of good. You know, 8:30 candle.
Yep. Yeah, missed the gold sales.
I'm looking for retracement on ZZ. So around like 20 pips retracement, and then like you can just.
That's what I'm thinking too, to be honest.
Because daily like it kind of rejected
Yep.
the high, and then we have a really big resistance on the daily Mandis, what Mandis was talking about yesterday.
Mm-hmm.
So if we are moving down, then we should. So if I see some kind of retracement and then like good entries for sell, and then I'll be looking at sell.
Exactly. Same thing.
Hello guys, how are you?
Hey,
Hello,
how are you, Sabine? How are you?
Yeah, good. Securing some pips on around 8 o'clock on GJ. That's it. That's the good news today.
Oh, so you scored 10 pips?
15 pips, sorry. Yeah.
Dude, you gotta send me the chart.
Yep. Okay.
Send the chart in the New York session channel, Sabine.
Okay.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
So on YouTube, Hito West is saying, "Good morning. I just got out of my strip club. Now let's get this money." Oh shit! All right. And Anand is saying, "GG went wild last night. I hit a big weekly resistance, and I wanted to short, but I wasn't. Ooh, I wasn't here to catch it. Okay." I mean, that happens. You know, you just gotta set an alert or something. You know. Yeah, trying to see how gold is gonna react around this 1730-190 area. Yeah, I'm pretty bearish in gold. To be honest, I was trying to sell it around Asian session, but I was like so less volume. You know, I was like, okay, maybe I'll catch it in London, and I missed it in London too today. I was looking for sales below 1746.20. Missed it.
46.20. I think gold should drop down to like 1726.
Yeah, exactly. I'm looking for 1725.95. See what's gonna happen. Yeah, the sales were below 1746.20. Clear sales, you know, London volume. Come on. Missed it.
Hello.
Ooh,
Hello.
How's everybody?
good, good. How are you?
Not bad, not bad. Same old, same old. Did I miss something?
Oh, yep. London was the move today.
Oh, London, I cannot do anything. It's midnight for me. But
Yeah.
I always miss London.
Did you say something? Did you say something?
Oh, I always miss London.
Oh, yep. Because you're sleeping, right?
I'm
Yeah.
sleeping. Same as you said yesterday, nature calls, man.
Oh my god. Yeah, today the nature didn't call, but man, I was talking to somebody in Zoom and I was like, ah, man, I'm missing gold, you know, I should stop this conversation. But that was that was something really important. Yeah. Missed it right here. 1746.20.
Damn. Holy shit.
Yep.
Dumped.
1746.20. That's such a beautiful entry, you know. Just missed it. A clean drop, but yeah. Nikesh, what do you think about the 4-hour buy retest on GJ?
Oh yeah, that's what I'm thinking. You know, like the 30-minute, it's kind of forming really good candle, and then I just want the next 30-minute to go bullish, and then once it starts to reject or create some sort of resistance, and then like flips bearish, that's when I will be looking for sales. So it's something like I just want the support. You know, like it's forming support right now on GZ
Yep.
on 30-minute. So we just form some kind of support and move bit of like kind of retracement of the London move,
Yep.
and then just sells from there.
Yeah, I just don't want to see too many engulfing candles, you know, especially on a 30-minute on a 30-minute. I would love to see if candles could just make resistance below 151 700 or something, you know.
151 700.
Let's see what's gonna happen. Yeah, but if the candles are pushing down GJ, we have like 38 pips of range on the downside, you know. Man, gold was beautiful.
GZ daily looks like a clean rejection, so I think we should be hitting in a
Oh, yep. That's actually true. Yeah, but the only thing is, you know what's funny? Because the candles, they reacted from this demand area, right? This strong support area. And after this strong push on the upside, this retracement kind of makes sense before pushing up, you know. And if the resistance is to be broken, a daily resistance, obviously candle's going to tap that once, twice, thrice maybe, and it's going to break it the next time, you know. And that's the only thing that's bothering me. A 4-hour candles clearly rejecting the daily rejection area, 100%. Just don't want to see a liquidity wick on the bottom. If we see some sort of liquidity wick on the bottom, man, oh man, we might start pushing up as well, you know, on an hourly sort of a structure. If it makes a proper support of 151 600 or even 700, man, it's not looking good.
Monthly candle is actually closing in 2 days.
Uh-huh. Yeah, to be honest, you know what I think? This Bailey guy was speaking around yesterday midnight, and obviously today's obviously this was like 1 a.m. and maybe today's London market kind of observed that news event from Bailey, because Bailey wasn't talking very positive about the news. He was like, oh, you know, it's like we're having a lot of shock effects and whatnot. And pound moved down around London session, right? So it only moved down around London session. So around the peak London time, pre-New York, just pushed down, bang. So we might get a correction as well. And if the correction is happening, I'm just thinking about how I can catch the buys. And obviously sales below 151 700 do look nice. And it's retracing. Obviously, this is something we catch every time, right? Retracement and just sell. But yeah,
I think the best position for me today will be like if it retraces up to like 151 900.
Yep.
And then we just take sales from there. That will be much more cleaner.
Hello.
Hello.
How's it going, guys?
How's it going?
Good. Yeah.
Did you take
Hey,
any
guys.
positions
Great.
in London?
Hello.
Hello.
He.
Yeah, got any trades?
No. Waiting. Yep, I think gold's just gonna head down, you know. More than likely, gold is pushing down.
Anuj, remember yesterday's trend line?
Yep.
I took sales when it broke that trend line today.
Beautiful. Yeah, sales below 1746.20 was clear.
Yeah.
Sales below here, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Beautiful sales below this area, but missed it, man. I missed it today too. I was in a Zoom call. Man.
Yeah, it's okay to miss.
No, it's not okay. it's the worst. It's the worst.
You know, the volume has been shifted to London now, London session.
Yeah,
I
that's what I think too. That's what I think.
GA had an impulse entry on GA.
Uh-huh.
Beautiful buys.
Around here?
Yeah, on the break of the high.
Ooh, 46 pips. Wow.
I bought my cousin to emergency right now.
What happened?
Oh, what happened?
She had trouble breathing and had pain in heart.
Oh, his sister, is it? Your sister, is it?
Yeah,
Oh, shit. Was she okay?
yeah, I think she's okay now. She's inside.
All right. Shit.
Hope she will be okay.
Yeah. What hospital is it? Is it a public hospital?
It's a private hospital. I couldn't find anything nearby, so yeah, it was an emergency. So
Hey. Did she get her vaccines or no?
oh, which vaccine? COVID vaccine?
Yep.
Yeah, how long ago, I guess. And it's bloody. I don't know. It took 15 minutes to fill out the paperwork.
Oh, wow. 50.
I drove 15 minutes. I drove like 80 in 40 zone, and I bring her here to emergency, and they took her 15 minutes to write in the paper.
Shit. Yeah, I think they just want to see if the person is able, you know? So you know what we do? If I take anybody to emergency, I teach them to act before I take them there. I say, okay, you gotta act as if you're dying. You know, that's the only way they look at you. Otherwise, they don't care. They don't give a shit. To be honest.
Yeah, I once took Sanjana to emergency, and she was having actually like very much pain in her stomach, right?
Yeah.
So they made her wait. They didn't even give her a bed. Like they just put her on a chair, and her turn came at 4 a.m. in the morning. I took her at 10 p.m.
Oh my god.
I know.
Yeah.
Yeah. Once I broke my collarbone, right? And
Ooh.
and so it's not like fully broken, but it's like bruised. It's bruised. So I thought it was broken. I couldn't move my right arm. It's like because we were doing sparring, and I was like, okay. So the next day, I was like, okay, you know what? I'll be the man. I'll take the pain this night, and I'll go to the hospital tomorrow. And tomorrow, first hour, we went to the hospital, and the guys made me wait for 5 hours before they could give me a painkiller. 5
Holy shit.
hours. 5 hours hungry. And oh my god! And there were no patients at all, no patient. So yeah, that was a weekend. Obviously, I understand, you know, maybe less doctor or whatnot, but the nurses.
Sydney?
Yeah, in Sydney, and I was so angry, so frustrated, and the nurse was like kind of racist. Because obviously I have color, you know. You guys have seen me. I have color, right? And they can clearly see I'm from somewhere else, and they were like racist, could be seen, and were speaking to me in like, oh my god, it's like as if she was my enemy. It's like, oh, okay, so you're sick. I said, what happened? I said, why did you break your collarbone? All right, so da. So they were fucking, oh my god. Going nuts on me. Is like, okay, why did you break your collarbone then? It's like, oh, that's stupid, this, that, oh, fuck. Just give me something. I'm dying here. And the next thing is, like, I'm being really humble, you know, because I'm in pain. I'm being humble. I'm talking nicely, and they being racist. I don't know why they're profiling me or something.
Okay, Anuj, wait for GA sales now. Have a look at that, guys.
Uh-huh. Okay.
Uh-huh.
My alert just got hit, but I can't take a trade, I guess.
Yeah, I was actually looking at GA sales below 1876 flat from a daily point of view. I mean, we can push down here.
But it might reject like it did few hours ago.
Yeah, it
Strong
might.
support.
It might, but this is the right time. You know, New York volume. Oh man, if we break 1876 flat, we are moving down. Are moving down. Yeah, man, the emergency hospital is just shit. Emergency department just shit, to be honest. So what you gotta do is, if you take anybody, or if you ever admit yourself, you gotta act as if you're dying. You gotta say, "Oh shit, my heart's pumping." All right, oh shit, I'm losing my eyesight, and they will start looking at you. Honestly. And that was a really bad experience in the hospital. A bruised collarbone, and trying to get some medicine. They gave me a painkiller, you know. And later what I did was, I was so angry, I just fought with the nurse and just kicked out of the hospital. Got kicked out of the hospital.
Guys, I think I gotta go. I'll come back later.
Yep. Take care. Take care.
Yes, guys.
Take care, bro. We are missing Motsub today. Where's Motsub?
It's like Motsu has hit the bank. Also on YouTube, MDPS by Arjun Sir is saying, "Ji bahut acha, ji aapko support kar diya." Oh, that's good. That's good, man. Very good. All right, so Max Matapula is saying strong language. Ooh, okay. Max, no language is strong, my friend.
Ah.
Yeah. Alrighty. Pretty bearish market today. I mean, pound USD bearish. Gold is super bearish. But the only thing about gold is it's very close to this channel. And oftentimes what I've seen is when price engages with the channel, there's a heavy rejection. Just don't want to see a rejection. All right, so this 15-minute candle is rejecting this 151,700 sort of area. All we gotta see for a selling scenario is some sort of support. Oh, sorry, no, not so support, a resistance. Sorry about the wrong word. We want to see a resistance. That's what we want to see, and we are patiently waiting. All right, so we got Suraj bro here. We got Nikesh, we got Sabine, we got Sudeep bro here. That's amazing. And waiting and waiting. All right, so on YouTube, George Spence is saying, "Oh no, another GBPJPY stream. Trade something else, man." Sorry to say this, George. My brother, I mean, who are you to tell us to stream something else? Right? Doesn't even make sense. My brother. Doesn't make sense. Want to see a resistance, at least on a 15-minute time frame. All right, so on YouTube, Hit the West is saying, "Nah, George, GBP is lit. Don't mess with Johan."
Anuj, what about the GSL? Because the candle is rejecting the top.
Oh, actually, GA is looking beautiful. All right. Yep. Oh my god, GA is actually looking pretty solid for sales. Alrighty. So if this 15-minute candle in pound AUD closes bearish, there's a higher chance the next candle is actually going to pierce through that this level or zone. I think it's going to pierce through it, and looks like 1873.10 is the target for pound AUD. Yep. Yep. Pound AUD looks like it could push down. Would love to see a candle making a top wick before pushing down, because we are only 15 minutes away from the market open here and don't want to rush in a trade. But looks like pound yen is showing some of the characteristics to push down here. It's exhausting to push up. So more than likely it's actually going to push down. Just want to see a clear resistance. That's what we are waiting for. And more than likely we can actually push down through this beautiful range in about 35 pips range on the bottom. Let's see. We just have to wait and see if the New York market is happy about this price. Otherwise, 151,860, or as Nikesh said, 151,900 could be a retest area.
But the way we're moving, I don't think we're going to go all the way up to 151,900.
Yeah, that's
If you
what I
look
think
like-
too.
Yeah. If you look at the 15-minute, it's just like, just the wicks, you know? There's nothing. So we might start to fall. Let's see.
Gold is starting to reject this 1731.90 area. Interesting. Jackie is saying, I don't like this week's New York session. Yeah. We do have some of the news event in a very awkward time. So, hopefully October is going to be beautiful. October, we have daylight saving for Australia. Going 1 hour forward. Ooh, okay. Or October 3rd is when our daylight saving is happening. Okay. Oh, okay. Pound yen is starting to push down here. Oh, wow. Pound AUD is moving down. Four-hour candle still bearish. I think we will see that market retracement with the market open. That's what I'm thinking. More than likely a market retracement, then a push down. Let's see what's going to happen. All right. Beautiful. So the price, the candles are making resistance below 151,700. All we have to do is wait to see how this 30-minute candle closes, and on the next candle, maybe that could be the entry candle. Yep, more than likely we are pushing down here. Pushing down. And a pound AUD. All right. Yep, pound AUD is just bland falling down. Just fall down, push down, boom.
I took sale and now I'm 11 pips profit.
Pound yen.
Hello, hello. I think pound AUD.
Pound AUD, Suraj.
Nikesh, Anuj.
Hello, hello. Hello,
7
Suraj.
pips right now.
I have seen chart in NY session.
Oh, okay.
No, pound yen.
Uh-huh.
Okay, pound yen. Nice.
Beautiful. Nice entry. Nice entry. Like a 5-minute entry. Yeah, I think it's going to push down, to be honest.
Yeah. I'll just wait for new 30-minute and then like to form the top wick, and then once it starts to break the low. I'm hearing like sound
Like I'm hearing the sound like twice. I don't know why.
Oh, is it?
What?
Oh no. Suraj, you gotta fix the speaker. You gotta fix your speaker.
Yes. I don't know.
Ooh, pound yen. It's pushing. All right.
Last 5 minutes.
Yeah.
See.
All right. This is the chart from Suraj here. Looks like he took an entry around 151, 610. Oh, actually, 630. Oh, beautiful. In about 15 pips.
Yeah.
Yeah. Nice.
Hello.
Hello.
No, I don't hear any. I don't hear any sound now.
Suraj, can you hear now? Beautiful. So Sabine took sells. Okay. So he took a sell, clear range. I close here because I lost money on GBPJPY. So I was not in a hurry to secure a position. I'm in a hurry, retesting to push the candle down. Beautiful. Nice entry, Sabine. Beautiful. Beautiful entry.
Got 10 pips on GA.
Yep, GA was the trade.
Amazing trade.
Yep, beautiful trade. Mandish called it out. Beautiful trade. Anything below 1875.48 was valid. Or even 1875.55. All right, this is the market open right here. Market open candle. All right, so the 15-minute candle in pound yen closed bearish, selling structure. 30-minute clear resistance. We do have some space to push down through on the downside. Waiting to see how the market's gonna grab liquidity in one of those directions. The previous hourly candle closed small bearish candle, but also with a wick on the downside, showing possibilities to push down. So at this point in time, if I'm willing to take a sell, all I'll be waiting for is a wick on the top. I know it's going to push down. It can push down, and I might miss the entry, but I want to take the best entry. So kind of filtering my opportunities here. At this point in time, if the 30-minute candle makes a top wick, then starts flipping bearish, yes, it's looking good at that point in time. But until then, I'm waiting. Pound is pretty bearish, to be honest. Very bearish at this point in time. And waiting for the retracement. And we are starting to push down here. Beautiful. Oh, wow. Looks like you can actually push even lower. Amazing. Wowie kawaii.
Oh, I'm on sales at this point because we broke the previous, 30-minute low, and then even the previous hourly low.
Yeah, I think you guys are gonna get the sales here. Amazing. The Suraj is in deep profit right now. 20 something. Amazing.
Oh, I don't like the GZ retracement.
Yeah, I haven't taken an entry yet.
What's up, boys?
What's up? What's up? How's it going?
Not too bad.
It looks like the London guys got the moves here.
Yeah. I missed that. Actually, I had my class from today, and I was the only guy in the class, so I couldn't do anything.
All right. Okay. The ultimate trap.
Yeah, the
Okay.
ultimate trap, right? I could see the bias playing out, but like I couldn't do anything because he kept on asking me questions and I had to answer those.
Yes, ma'am. So the pound yen is bearish, ma'am, right now. Yes, ma'am. So gold is pushing 30 pips down. Okay. You know what you should have done? Most of you should have shown the teacher your trading, trading.
Yes, I taught her how to trade.
Yeah,
instead of
your charts
learning
and your
from-
terminal.
I'm out of trade at this point, like -4 pips. I
Yeah.
don't like the
Sells?
movement. It just sells.
Nah, this is
We could
back
still
when
go
you
down,
take
but
sell.
like, yeah.
Who else has taken sells?
Yeah, 5 minute it still looks good, but like, nah.
No sales yet. No sales yet.
So Slovene took sells.
Yeah, I took sell.
Oh, so how many
it
pips
start
did you
pushing up.
capitalize?
Sorry.
How many pips did you catch?
Oh, on London session,
Yeah.
maybe 15 pip, I think.
Ah. So you didn't had any runner?
No run.
Oh, even Suraj.
Yeah.
Wow, sales. What time was it?
He caught it like a few minutes before, based on 5 minute bang.
27. Ah. Wow. Yeah, I'm on gold sales now.
Yeah, I'm waiting for gold sales too.
No, I've already taken. Even though I was in class, I was able to like take it in gold.
Yeah, I was waiting for sales below 1746.20. Ran here, clean area. I missed it. This was the trade.
46. Wow.
That was the trade, you know. It's like 140 pips, man.
Yeah, sure.
Anyways,
Actually,
think-
I got in 1739,700.
39,700. Okay. Or somewhere around here. Oh, nice. Nice entry.
Hoping for it to go further down. It's gonna go down.
It's actually funny. You know what's funny? Every instrument today is on is on negative.
Sales. Yeah.
Yeah,
Right.
everything is on minus.
I think USD is on buy because USD should be positive. Yeah. USD. Only USD is positive because US dollar is strong.
Oh yeah. UJ. So yeah, this is what happens around FOMC. You know, after the FOMC, US dollar just strengthens up. FOMC USD just strengthens up. This is something we talked about like a few days ago too. And look at USD JPY. And
Oh, honest, YouTube family is growing.
oh, is it?
We have 14 viewers today. Like, yeah, it was 17. Like when I joined before. Now it's, yeah.
Oh, nice, beautiful, beauty. So Hito is saying IG going to retrace. Oh no. Oh, he's saying it's going to retrace. Okay. I'm buying, guys. Ooh, this is a very aggressive buy. I don't know. I don't know about buys, man. Right now.
What pair was he buying on?
I think he's buying a GJ. Oh no.
GZ, I think is still a sell, but like it will just
It could
trickle down.
retrace. Yeah, I
it
think
might
it could
be
just be
still.
like
That's
retracement
why-
in a big move.
That's why I just got out like early. I just don't want to get stuck.
Yeah, gold has the highest volume today. Gold has the highest volume. So on YouTube, Hit the West is saying I bought at 151,500. Man. 151,500. I think it's too early, to be honest. Too early. I wouldn't be buying here at all, to be honest. I wouldn't be buying here at all.
Hello, hello.
Yeah.
Did you take GSL?
No.
Dude, you missed it again.
Yeah.
I did.
Yeah.
15 minutes. Look at that.
Actually, Sudeep bro caught it. He caught it. He caught it.
Yeah, I caught 10.5 pips, maybe.
Beautiful. Yeah, moved
Yeah.
down like 17 pips from the entry point.
Yeah. Beautiful trade.
Yeah.
Maybe another one resistance would do more better for long-term sales, I guess. Uh,
Yep, pound yen is pushing down here. So waiting for this 15-minute candle to close. If this 15-minute candle closed with the wick at the bottom, if this current 15-minute candle could make a top wick and then start pushing down, I mean, I could actually give it a try. I could actually take an entry on the flip of the candle. Stop loss could be in about 11 pips. See, we are 15 minutes in the market right now, and there isn't any fundamental news tonight. All right, so we got the mixer going on here, the kitchen mixer. All right, okay. That's a cool remix, you know, I like that. Oh, actually, we got the trade balance. Okay, that's something. That's something that actually moves the gold market. To be honest, it says low impact, but trade balances oftentimes tends to move gold heavily. So we will see. We will see, obviously. So I
Gold is
wouldn't.
retracing.
Oh, is it? Let's have a look at
Yeah.
gold.
It's retracing hard.
Okay. Yeah. I'm thinking about a sell in gold more than anything else. Okay. GJ hourly candle pretty bearish. 13-minute candle pretty bearish. 15-minute candle hasn't flipped bearish yet. 15-minute candle kind of hanging around there. Would love to see a top wick before moving down. Our 5-minute candles are also having a little bit of hard time. We are in about 13 minutes away from the trade balance news here. So thinking about an entry on the flip of the candle. Ooh, okay.
Having a nice top. Oh.
Yeah, I would love a top wick. Let's see. Dun, dun, dun. Or actually, you know what? I am taking an entry right here. I took an entry right here. Beautiful. Beautiful. Okay. All right, so I've actually taken an entry. So anticipating volume, New York volume here. If the candles are to push down, this is amazing. The structure's looking amazing, and we are 18 minutes in the market. Previous 15-minute candle closed with a wick on the downside, showing signs of continuation. And I've got a tight stop loss as well at this point in time. If it's going to work, beautiful. Beauty. 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 Let's see. So at this point in time, what I really don't want to see is candles rejecting the bottom heavily. I don't want to see that. I want to see candles moving down and nice and slow, because the wick on the downside looks like it could get filled. And we are still in the position right here. Beautiful. Don't want to see a rejection. If the candle is going to break its own high, that's going to be the point where I'm going to practice risk management. Because to me, the risk management is the best idea in the head. If I practice risk management in a long run, I'm always profitable. And that's what I want to see. That's what I want to practice. I always want to expect the worst out of my trade. If anybody is in a trade right now, they should be expecting worst out of their trade. That way they can actively manage their position. Are beautiful. We are pushing down. 15-minute candles looking pretty good. Previous 15-minute candle close. The first 15-minute candle out of the hourly candle closed with a wick on the downside, as we talked about, showing signs of continuation here. We are still in the trade and going to secure once I hit that 8 pips. Or at this point in time, running is 7 pips in profit. So if the market starts retracing, that's going to be the sign of securing profits or managing risk at that point in time. And we are in the first 20 minutes of the market. Ooh, 10 pips. Secure everything. Secure. Beautiful. Fuck. Secure everything. Beautiful. Look at this. Out of the trade. That was not even a 5-minute trade. That was like a 3-minute trade. Honestly, man. Whoever took that trade, liked this video, and man, come on. Just made $700. Just made $700 in under. Let's see, how many minutes was that?
Most probably like 3-4 minutes.
So took an entry here. So that was like on the flip of the candle. So from here to here, so that was 4 minutes trade, made $700. No, actually, I made more than $700. I'm going to show you guys. Oh, look at this. This is my Black Bull Market account, right? This is a live account. Obviously, this is a live account. And I made $700 in my Black Bull account. And I made $600 on my Dominion account. So that is freaking $1,300 in 4 minutes. Who can beat that? For me, honestly, nothing can beat that. You know, I was patiently waiting for it, and I knew the market's gonna drop down. I didn't change my bias, nothing. You know, I was actually I was waiting for this, waiting for the first 15 minutes out of the hourly candle to pass out. And that's what happened. Whoever took that trade at this point in time, just start securing, you know. Don't be a hero. You don't need to be a hero in the market. That's it. Simple. Simple as that. If the market's going to drop 100 pips, man, if you got a runner running, beautiful. But the idea is to leave a runner running if you have that plan. But if you're happy with whatever the market's giving you right now, just be okay about it, you know. Making $1,300 in 4 minutes, fuck, man. Who can beat that? Honestly, who can beat that? That's amazing feeling. Some of the people, they can't even make that much amount of money in a span of a week. So you got to be grateful about whatever the market gives you. If you're in a phase that where you're actually using smaller lot size just for the part of experience and to see if the profits are real, if you want to learn the process and whatnot, you have to be able to secure something out of the market. At the beginning, you got to see the market and the profits given by the market in a pips sort of a point of view. But later on, these pips are going to pay you more. Just like I said, you know, yesterday, I actually missed upping my lot size. I was to up my lot size yesterday. I missed it. But today, I didn't miss it. I didn't miss it because I was all prepared. I was patient. I was like, hey, you know what? Man, if it's going to move down, if I'm going to miss out the entry, fuck it. But if I'm going to take an entry, I'm going to take a quality entry, and that's what happened. Now, this is an example of really quality entry. I didn't take an early entry. I was like, hey, man, it's going to push down. Yeah, it's going to push down. If I'm going to miss it, that's fine. I've got my analysis, everything correct. As long as I'm correct in the market, that's what pays me in the long run. Okay, so you have to understand this Understand this idea that, hey, you don't just want to see the market or your process in the point of view of money, but you want to see that pips. So I was happy with 10 pips, 11 pips. I said to myself, hey, you know what? Fuck that. I'm going to secure. Look at the retracement. Look at the retracement. You never want to let your profitable trade, you never want to let your winners turn into losers. That's something we talk about every single day in our community, Peeling Mindset community, our YouTube channel. We talk about this every single day. Now look at the market right now. The market gave you the volume rush. It didn't care about how much you secured, because that's what the volume rush does. No matter if your position was 100 lot size, was 500 lot size, obviously that's coming. I'm telling you guys, in the next 2 or 3 years, 100 lot size, we're going to drop it. And we're going to note down this date here, the 28th of September, maybe in the next 2 years, or even 1.5 years, we will start dropping that 100 lots. You have 100%, because it's the experience, it's the volume rush that you want. Look at the volume rush. It pushed down, beautiful. We secured. So from my entry point, it moved down like 20 pips, but I was happy with whatever the market gave me. And this is something you have to note down. Not the profits, not the number, man. Honestly, I can close my account. I don't need to show you my profits, whatnot, but take this as a motivation. The pips are the values that matters overall, in an overall sense, in an overall long haul. So whoever took that trade, man, honestly, what else do you guys need, right? So I gave you guys my entry point, stop loss, take profit, even secure, show you guys everything. So if you guys can follow along, like this channel, like this community, and show your love and appreciation, because this love and appreciation is for free. And the more love and appreciation you give, the more love and appreciation you get back. And that's what you want to do. You want to network. You want to get along with traders. And this is amazing community. Guys, if you took that trade, man, just tag me on the Instagram. And that's it. Amazing. Beautiful.
I'm calling it a day now.
Beautiful. Good
2
work.
trades, 2 wins. I am blessed.
Beautiful. I love that. Good. So now you got to journal the trade. You know, you got to journal the trade.
Yes, sir.
Journal the trade.
I took an early entry on this trade. I gotta be more patient.
Yep.
That's what
more
I learned
patience.
today.
Yep. More patience. Yeah, but sometimes it's just about pulling the trigger, you know. It's fine. Sometimes taking an early entry is just as fine, as long as you manage it. As long as you manage and be like, hey, you know what? I took an early entry, and I admit that I took an early entry. So all I need to do is manage the risk if it goes in the worst direction, and secure the profits if it goes in the best direction. That's it. Simple as that.
I was originally planning to leave a runner running, and I did not actually do that. So that is one thing I need to work on as well.
Yep. Maybe secure 90%, you know, just for the practice of leaving the runner running.
Yeah.
Not
So,
for the profit. Yep.
The TP I actually planned got hit.
Yep.
I should have left the runner running just to get the confidence, right?
Yeah, exactly.
Sorry.
Well, folks, it's time to kick it old school. So you can feel cool. Give it to me, baby. Baby. Yeah.
Beautiful.
Oh wow, it dumped more. Nice.
Yep, it's gonna dump. Definitely gonna dump. Dumpity dumpity dump. Wow. Missed some gold sales, but I mean that's okay. I mean I'm done for the day, to be honest with you. Done for the
Yeah.
All right, so
Hey Anuj,
sir.
so I just posted this. I just posted my journaling on the NY session channel.
Yep.
Could you have a look if I could improve anything on journaling?
100%. Just give me a second. All right. All right, beautiful. So this is the idea behind my trade, guys on the YouTube. If you guys are planning and trying to learn how to journal, I mean, this is one of the ways to journal, and the journaling has been one of the secrets of my success, to be honest. I'm not even kidding. So if you start journaling, man, your trading game's gonna just scale. If you're smart enough, you will start journaling. Simple, you will start journaling, you know. So if you guys need the link to my journal, I'll paste it on the YouTube chat box. But hey, so I'm gonna have a look at my team's journaling here, just to comment and see if I can help them. Right? Just give me a second. And all right. Okay. So this is the journaling from our Sudeep bro here. Pound yen. Looking at downtrend. Okay, second, nice push. Maybe you can change the arrow or something. Just give me a second. Oh, okay, it's clear. Usually it's night here, and I turn on blue light filter, and I can't see blue light because I've turned the blue light filter on my PC.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, but that's okay. That's okay. I just turned it off to see if it's blue, and it's apparently blue. But it's fine. It's fine, you know. So basically, talking about downtrend, nice push on the push down on London. Our price came down from daily rejection area. That's fine. Good noting down. Candle closed below 4-hour support. Okay. Retracement followed. That's correct. Waited for clear rejection. That's right. 15-minute close bearish with clear rejection at the top. Entered at the break of the low, somewhere around here. And was an early entry. Would have been better if waited for the next candle to form a top wick and flip bearish. TP was hit, could have left the runner running. Okay, maybe next time leave a buffer, 20 pips take profit maybe. Don't just put a 10 pips take profit. You know what I do every time I put my take profit? If my stop loss is in about 10 pips, I have to keep it 20 pips, no matter what. Just in case if it starts pushing down with volume, just like this. Look at the volume right now. We are 40 minutes in the market, and the volume, the real volume is coming in right now, right? So yeah. just leave that 20.
I did put my TP in. Oh, sorry. Yeah, I did leave my TP on 20 pips, right? But then I thought like it was 11 pips, so I just like closed it. Then I thought like, oh shit, I should have left the runner running.
Oh, yep. No, that's going to happen a lot of times. That happens to me these days as well. It's like, I'm like, okay, I took a quality trade, but I'm like, I'm impatient. You know, I'm impatient and I'm happy with whatever the market gives me. But the real thing I should be doing is in such a high volume day, because I know it's a high volume day the way it's been moving, right? So what I can do is I can actually literally leave a runner running. I can literally leave a runner running, no matter how much that percentage is. So I need to tell myself every now and then, because once I go in that risk management phase in my head, once I'm like, hey, buddy, risk management, bam, 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 manage your trade. I forget about the runner. It's all about securing and
Yeah.
hunting down the trade, you know, and yeah, that's what happens. But I'm gonna practice. So maybe October for me is gonna be a more runner leaving sort of a month. So I'm gonna be trading with some runners, and that's something I'm looking forward to. I mean, obviously we are coming to an end to September, and there's not a lot of volume I can expect. I mean, today has been amazing. It's just Tuesday and it's moving like Thursday. It's literally moving like Thursday here. So I should have left a runner running. So maybe tomorrow, Wednesday and Thursday could be one of those days we practice leaving the runner running. Wow. Gold is pushing beautiful. Yep, gold is going to dump down.
All right, John. So I'm calling it a day. I will see you
Beautiful.
tomorrow.
Beauty.
Enjoy, brother. Have a good night.
Take care. You too.
Good
Enjoy.
night. Anuj, you will send the chart to our group also?
Yep, I've actually sent it to Journal.
Ah, that's one. Okay.
There's a channel called Journal, and you will see it there.
Yep. Yeah, I just see it.
Wow. Montev is taking some sales in gold. Wow. Beautiful. $150 pips. Wow. Amazing. Yep, the boys are learning to journal. You know, it's amazing.
But
Just
why I
amazing.
can't see the pips in my MT4?
You need to put in indicator. Sabine, in our there's I'll let you know where the indicators and the scripts are. Okay, so in your education folder, if you go back, you will see a folder called resource folder, resources, and it's there. Don't worry, we will talk off of the stream. Don't worry.
Oh, okay.
Right. Amazing, amazing day here. Just blessed. Simply blessed. All right, so we are just hanging around right now. That was actually amazing. Amazing trade. So,
Yes, really amazing. Okay, good night, Anuj. See you tomorrow.
good night, Sabine. I think I'm going to call it a day too. You have a beautiful night,
Yeah.
all right?
Thank you. You too.
Thank you, Sabine.
Bye.
Take care. All right, so the guys on the YouTube, I mean, we are calling it a day. So I hope you guys are having a beautiful day. Make sure you don't overtrade or over risk. Until next time, gonna come back again tomorrow and we'll have a beautiful day, beautiful time again. Until then, take it easy, guys. Take it easy.